a video about RTI at an elementary level for the class LAI 574 by Carly Palmer. Welcome to the beginning of a new school year. It is the first week of school, and teachers need to assess students to develop an understanding of their current math and reading skills in order to best meet their needs. To show what this process looks like, you will meet 3 fifth grade students, all at varying levels of ability, and get a glimpse as to how their instructional needs will be met in different ways using the RTI framework. Prior to assessment, at a Tier 1 level, all students receive the same high-quality instruction that includes a few key factors listed on this slide. In order to provide even stronger instruction fit for students' strengths and needs, each child is given a common formative assessment at multiple points throughout the school year. The pictures included on this slide provide a visual as to what each common formative assessment looks like. First, we have the computations probe, which allows students to show their understanding of math, facts, and fluency. And second, we have the concepts and applications probe, which allows students to apply various grade level math skills to solve problems. The pyramid below shows the 3 tiers students can fall into based on their scores. Next, we are going to discuss the 3 students' scores mentioned earlier in the video and describe how they will each receive quality instruction that is differentiated for them. Leah scored above grade level for both the MComp and MCAP. Her daily math instruction will most likely take place in a general education classroom for 45 to 90 minutes a day. She will be given multiple opportunities to practice new skills, such as working in a cooperative group setting or working independently. She will be encouraged to solve real-world mathematical problems and use higher order thinking skills. Jake's scores show that he is just below grade level in math and will benefit from some extra practice and support. He will participate in the same core mathematics lessons as Leah, but he will receive some additional services as well. For example, he may work with a math intervention specialist in a small group setting a few times a week, where math skills will be retaught or pre-taught and practiced often. He will have the opportunity to work with students who have similar needs as him and will work in a quiet learning environment where he can focus. His teacher and service provider will continue to monitor his progress and growth. Beth's results show that she is in a small percentage of students who do not respond to the Tier 2 interventions and need more intensive and individualized math instruction. Here is what Beth's math instruction will look like on a weekly basis. Beth will work in a small group of 3 or less students, and sometimes she may even work in a one-on-one setting with a math intervention specialist. These sessions will be held for a minimum of 20 minutes per day. Beth's teachers must progress monitor her often in order to ensure that the instructional plan is working for her and that no other quantitative changes need to be made. As the school year continues, each child will continue to receive high-quality whole group instruction that is student-centered and engaging. Furthermore, each child will be screened 2 more times this school year to ensure that instructional services are working. How does RTI apply to my classroom? As a 5th grade teacher in a public school setting, my school participates in both a math and reading progress monitoring 3 times a year. Before knowing a lot about the process, I did not understand the value of the results of these assessments to show both needs and growth in my students. I am now able to analyze the data myself and assist the service providers in monitoring and increasing student performance. I am also able to understand the results and explain student scores to parents so that they too can better understand where their child is at various points in the school year.